to evaluate the market profitability potential of your idea. In this series of short lessons, you will learn how to evaluate the market profitability potential of your idea. First up, you'll learn how to gauge the size of your market. In this brief lesson, you will learn about two types of research methods you use to gauge the size of your market. There are two types of research to gauge the size of the market: primary and secondary. Primary research is when you're interacting directly with potential customers, the source getting feedback. Secondary research comes from gathering existing data from others, internal or external sources. Let's dive a little bit deeper with some examples. Primary research is conducted in the form of surveys, questionnaires, contests, etc. The goal is to find interest in your product or service. With secondary research, data, as mentioned, is gathered internally or externally from industry and government sources. You may find this information in books, journal publications, websites, etc. A note on surveys. Surveys report intention, and intention does not always translate to sales. For that reason, you should cut the number of people who responded positively in half to account for this statistical variance. Next up, which market research method is best?